Hi, my name's Catherine and I am making this video to tell you about the things that I do on my channel here on YouTube. In essence, I make things. I make all kinds of things. I do charms out of polymer clay and traveler's notebooks and inserts for traveler's notebooks, and I do resin pouring, and I am doing beekeeping because that's a hobby, and I defy anyone to tell me that beekeeping is not an art. I love trying new things, and I love sharing those new things with other people, and I want to share the things that I'm doing with you. So when I make things, I make a video of it, and that's the point. I want to share the things that I'm doing because I'm going to be doing them anyway, and I'm going to share them with you. So if you like the things that I do, subscribe. If you want to see new things, go ahead and hit the notification button because I'm constantly putting out new stuff. If you want to see me try something new, or if you want to see me try something that you haven't seen me do before, go ahead and leave a suggestion. I am always open to them, and I love to hear about what you're doing. That's kind of why in that banner at the top of my screen it says, "What are you doing today?" Because that's what it's all about. It's about what you're doing. And you can do more. And I can do more. Well, I don't know if I can do more. I do an awful lot. But that's what this is about. And you've now been introduced to my channel. And if you like it, stick around for a bit.